Okay, today we're gonna talk about isometric circles, or like it is popularly called ellipse. Here I'm projecting 90 degrees to intersect with my horizontal line. That's the middle line. Now, as you can see, I'm projecting 30 degrees to the right and 30 degrees to the left. Mind you, these two lines must intersect with the midline at point zero. Now here I'm measuring my 50 millimeters because I want my square to be 50 millimeters. So that is 50 millimeters length, 50 millimeters width, and then 50 millimeters height. Okay, then I'll project to form my square. From my left, I project 90 degrees here, and to my right, I'll still project another 90 degrees. The intersect with the arc I form at 50 millimeters. Now, where the intersect is where I'm projecting. Okay, now I'm gonna project another 30 degrees, forming a square from my right, as you can see. Now I'm projecting to the left 30 degrees, forming a square to my left. That's the side. Now I'm projecting another 30 degrees at the top. Okay, and I'm forming my square at the top. That is the top. I will form my circle there too, but I'm gonna use just one side for this tutorial. Okay, now that the square, the front side and the top is formed, let me just bring down the bottom. Okay, now notice something. You see that line I'm forming at the bottom? They have already formed a line, okay, across the middle of this my right hand side square. Now I'm forming my line across from edge to edge. Okay, why am I doing this? I'm looking for the midpoint of this square from top to bottom and from right to left. Now I'm projecting 90 degrees through the intersection at the middle. Where these lines intersect at the middle, I project 90 degrees. That's my middle point. Okay, from top to bottom, that's my middle point. It divides that square from left to right into two, and then I'll project 30 degrees that cuts across the intersection at the middle too. As you can see, that line divides this square into two equal halves from top to bottom. Now notice from the longest line I'm projecting an angle. I'm going to construct an angle like shape from that edge at the top to the midpoint from the right and to the midpoint from the bottom. I'm forming an angle there. Have you seen it? Then I'll go to the bottom. The edge from the bottom, I project to the midpoint at the top. Okay. Then I project to the left from the middle point from the left. Notice the shape that is there. Anytime you construct this, you see this shape. If you don't see this shape, that means your construction is wrong. Then I've seen an intersection in the middle, in that middle. Okay, then I form my arc. You can draw a circle if you want to make it full, but I don't want to use a full circle. I'm using an arc because I don't want to wipe anything from that middle point, from that middle. Okay, I go to the left. I do the same thing. Please, once you watch this video, follow the steps. It's easy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel in case you've not done that. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit your notification bell icon so that in case I drop any new video, you'll be notified. Now check what we're doing here. I'm going to expand from that edge from the bottom. I'm going to expand my pencil. You see where this arc meet. I'm going to form my arc from top to bottom. Then you see my ellipse is complete. So in case you not subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit your bell notification icon and give us a like and share our video. Thank you for watching.